Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mifodia here from KK Sabah, from Atomy Sabah. This is my online presentation about the compensation plan and the company introduction in a very short while. Can you hear me clearly, Ken?
Yes, very clear.
Okay. Okay. Today with my friend Ken Ang. He also an Atomian. So we will share to you about our experience also later on. So how did I get to know about Atomy is from my friend Vivi. She introduced me to Atomy in 2019. Yeah, 2019. And then but that time I was not aware about the Atomy and how its goals can be a very simple business plan that everyone can go through. Yet I missed the opportunity and my membership was expired that time. Anyway, I decided to joining back on 2020 on May, and then here I am now. I hope that my little presentation can help you in your Atomy journey. So I titled my presentation as Online Shopping New Digital Era, because how Atomy can bring us success in this era that everything is digital right now, right? So if the pandemic come, we are not able to escape from that, but we are forcing into the new era, which is the era digital. You like it or not, this is the reality that we need to live it right now. So where we used to shopping in the past, we used to shopping in the supermarket, in the market, but now we need to shop in the online shopping. So even in for our vegetable and so forth, we can access it through our smartphone. So did our uh, CEO Park Han-jil. He was found this Atomy as the online internet business that we can easily also make a purchase using the smartphone from everywhere we are right now. So this is our CEO, Mr. Park Han-jil. He the first time he knows about Atomy because he was diagnosed with the stage 4 of cancer, and then he has a serious diabetic that time. So Mr. Han-jil was prayed and his prayer was answered. He introduced by his friend, the Hemohim, and then that friend was a leading scientist at KERI, a research institute, nuclear power owned by the government of South Korea. The second largest in the world, if you know that we have two only the nuclear power institute. One is NASA, then the other one was KERI. And after taking the Hemohim for several years, finally, Anjit Han-jil or Mr. Han-jil was recovered from his illness. This is the KERI. If you all never knew about KERI, KERI is the biggest and the largest institution that is not only just research about the atom, but also the food that is made from the atom. So KERI was found out the high-tech method to produce cosmetic from fresh herbal through the high-tech distillation process, and 100 better than cosmetic on the market. Where our cosmetic in the market right now is using a chemical to remove toxin, colors, and the odor from the herbal ingredient used. So this is the Sun Biotech. So this is the company that at first was produced the Hemohim. This company was selling the Hemohim at the price of 770,000 won, or equal 2,900 ringgit Malaysia, or equivalent to 10 million rupiah per box. Can you imagine? Back then, the Hemohim was very, very pricey. Even someone sells more than that price. Why this bubble price can be happening? Because this product, we need to go through a various of sales agent before that product can go to the consumer, which is this is a contrary with the government desire to make a product that is affordable for the people. So therefore, the government of South Korea has given a confidence with Mr. Park Han-jil, and to sell Himohim, because Himohim actually is a product made and developed and using the Korean tax to subsidize and to invent this product. So government has decided that this product should be sold, that everyone can benefit from it. So by that, the company has given to Mr. Hanjil to handle the Himohim. So this is comma BNH. If you do not know what is BNH stand for, B stand for beauty and H is health. So South Korean government in August 29 was appointed Mr. Hanjil to establish Atomy under Sun Biotech Company. The result of the two major companies, namely Kerry and Colma, and to adhere to the principle of Korean national health, at the same time contribute to the South Korean society. Atomy CEO, Mr. Hanjil, was boldly made update that he, in 2019, he already knew that he won an online shopping mall with multi-level marketing system. Therefore, that's what we have here right now with Atomy as the online shopping mall with multi-level marketing system. So as simple as that, if you are new to Atomy and you never knew what is Atomy is on online shopping mall with the multi-level marketing system. So this is a simple picture about Atomy. Atomy is a distributor product. They are not a producer. They are not the maker that created the product. The product was created and invented and made by the Colma BNH. BNH company is by Colma Korea and Kerry. So both together combine and create Colma BNH. And the Colma BNH then give the product to Atomy to distribute to as a broadcasting station, as the online shopping mall. So Atomy is not the one that produce all the product that they sell. They only distribute. So I hope by this, you all be aware and understand well what is Atomy. So Atomy selling 70% of the Atomy product that we can find right now in the supermarket, online shopping mall Atomy. 70% is made by Colma BNH, while the 30% is made from the GSGS Atomy. What is GSGS? Later I will talk to you. So this is all the brand that you has been known in the market. There's a big name there, Lancome, Chanel, Shiseido, Pond's, SK2, Sasa, Hanskin, Face Shop. All these things, they are also using the Colma to produce their product, but using their name. So if you're aware, there's not only a big name there that is used to be, you found it in the high-end malls, but also you will find it, the brand that is also doing the multi-level marketing as Amway, Nu Skin, Circally, Maluka, and many more there. If you can find Avon also, that they also Forever Living. Yeah, so Herbalife. So this product, Nu Skin, they also take the product from the Colma. So their product was created at the Colma and then will distribute using their brand name. So that is the difference. Now Atomy is directly the one that is channeling with Colma BNH to distribute this product to you. So I have two questions for you here. You want to be an end user only, or you want to be a smart shopper? How to be an end user? End user is the product is from the factory and then will goes to the advertising cost on TV, radio, model, and then will go to the reseller. And then only you can get it as you and me as a consumer. We are called as a end user only. How the benefit to be end user? Usually we will get the voucher discount. We got the voucher delivery. Sometimes we got plate, cup, or bottle. No cashback, only spending. But how if there is a second choices, which is a smart shopper? There's a factory direct to the consumer. Yes, there is such a company that give us that offer, which is Atomy give us a chance to be a smart shopper. How and what we get when we choose to be a smart shopper? We will have a shop online. We get the point or point value, which is a short from PV, absolute quality, absolute price. There is no need to selling, no delivery, get cashback and become a passive income. So why I'm doing this and present all of this to you is only for one reason, that you understand about Atomy, and then you can give yourself a chance to think what product that you can switch to Atomy. Meaning to say, if you used to brand A for your shampoo, then you can change your shampoo to Atomy. And if you used to vitamin of the other brand A, now you can change and switch your brand, vitamin and supplement to Atomy. Simple as that. So why I need to join Atomy? Because in Atomy, we will have the free membership, number one, and then the quality of the product, we will use a herbal and organic with a high quality product. And then you will get the price is reasonable. Everyone can afford. With the guarantee, most of the country, which is in Malaysia, we have the warranty 30 days for the product return. And then we will also can become the passive income. Once you become a mastership, then Atomy make you and I available to draw a passive income, which is this passive income not only stuck in us, but also can accumulate until the third generation, which Atomy has using a very simple system, which is a binary system. And then with the unlimited international group sales, you cannot imagine. If I say unlimited, there is really, really unlimited. There is no limit for you to search a member. And you don't worry if in your country you feel it, there's a lot of people already joining Atomy, because Atomy give you a group sales international, which is you can recruit from other country as well. So with the profit sharing from the other country up to 70%, then also you will get the incentive if you already get the mastership, which is Atomy give us very simple system, as well give us a support system like a coaching, seminar, training, and support group. All this thing is free, which is now we can afford it everywhere through the online platform. So how my membership can last? This is if you has decided to join Atomy, when you has purchased one product a year, one product only a year is enable us to keep our membership for 1 year. But how if I already become an agent? So remind to buy on your account on your birthday to maintain your membership status. So right now, Atomy make a new update, which is if start from the September 2020, if you are registered as a member Atomy in September 2020 and you have not made any purchase yet, your membership only lasts for 6 months. So take notice. If you want your membership not expired like me last time, then you need to be aware about it. Just buy one to maintain your membership. This is a little bit about the Atomy binary system. Okay, why Atomy? Because Atomy using a binary system, and also there is a multi-level, and then one system for a global market. And we can absorb the global purchase. There is really unlimited, and also we can pass on until the third generation. Example, me, I'm the first generation. When I pass away, I can pass my account or my ID and my passive income to my second generation. And when he or she has passed away, he also can pass on to the third generation. Because why? Atomy has carried 100 years system, which is this company sustainability until 100 years. There is innovative, then make sure that this business that we are doing right now can last for 100 years. So there is a big difference, not just a little, a big difference between a binary and other system. The binary meanings to say is only two legs. If you ever joining any multi-level marketing outside of Atomy, you must be aware about unilevel or other is called matrix, which is more complicated, and the top only that will be benefited from all the hard work. But in Atomy, our CEO Han Jil has found the idea to use the binary, meaning to say it enable everyone to success, even when you are just registered today. So example, this is you. This is you and this is your sponsor. Example, Ken is my sponsor. He introduced Atomy to me. And then I recruited another 2 members on my left and on my right. And Ken also put another people, which is B, in his other leg. This B will be my partner. Also, the member below me will be my partner in my business in Atomy. So you only need to take care of your leg, both leg only. It's as simple as that. The only tips is don't so quick to open or branch leg for other people. You make sure you only take care of your leg, the line of left and right. Only those people that is ready for himself or she ready to do the Atomy as a business, they will open their other leg himself or themselves. You just focus to open on your own leg, both leg. This both two leg, we call it as a power leg, which is the inside. If A has decided to open his own Atomy business and A will open here, this yellow color here, member, we call it as a profit leg, meaning to say if A, the orange and the yellow has matched pairing, then it will be a profit for A. But for us, we just focus to make 2 leg, which is we call it power leg. So one ID in Atomy is for the global market because Atomy right now has been open in 18 countries and we're already planning to open in another 52 other countries. This is enable us to get unlimited member overseas. This is the list of the country that has been open. Yeah, as you can see, those that has been open, the more you can start to asking them to buy on the shopping mall because they have the same system as us, which is one ID for the market globally. This is the next 51 country that will be open. And you can start to registering all these country members as the name was stated here. So why I need to choose Atomy? Again, I give you a very simple comparison A to B. So if other direct sales, you need to pay membership fee. While in Atomy, we do not need to pay any membership because it's free. The other direct sales will need us to buy a package, which in Atomy, there is no package. In other direct sale, we need to buy every month. In Atomy, they're always asking us to buy what you need only. In other direct sales, there is a monthly auto ship, while in Atomy, there is no auto ship. What is auto ship? Auto ship is monthly set by the company, which is will generate from your credit card or debit card to maintain your sales every month. If you have set on a certain date, every month they will auto purchase for you, something like that. But in Atomy, we don't have. So you no need to stock up in Atomy, but in other direct sales, you need to stock up. In other direct sales, you need to hard sell, while in Atomy, no selling, we only sharing. And the other direct sales, there is a yearly fee. In Atomy, there is no yearly fee. In other direct sales, we need to focus on the distributor success. But in Atomy, our CEO always say, consumer success is the important. If your consumer is satisfied, that is your success. In other direct sales, there is no ceiling cap, meaning it's very bubble, which is in Atomy, there is a ceiling cap. maximum you can get in Atomy is 500 ringgit Malaysia a day. That's maximum. More than that, it will go to the below. So in other direct sales, it's very hard to help the partner because you need to maintain a lot of things, and your concentration and focus was forked it up already. While in Atomy, there is always asking us to partners, helping partners. In Sabah, we call it Ubuntu. In other direct sales, the income will stop when there is no more recruit member, while in Atomy, income will still goes on as long there is a member who buy. So I hope that simple sharing of me can help you. And the next important question that a lot of people asking, Atomy is shopping mall, yes, I knew. But how about the other, like Lazada, Shopee, or Tokopedia, or Bukalapak, or Amazon? They're also selling the Atomy. Why I need to choose Atomy shopping mall instead of the other platform of online shopping mall? So in Atomy, we can get 100% cashback if the product was expired or the thing is doesn't suit our skin. While in other shopping, you cannot get it because there is no warranty. And in Atomy, you no need to worry about the originality of the product. While in other shopping mall, you might be concerned, is this product is real or is a fake? In Atomy, when you buy, you will get the point. And in other online platform, there is no rebate from your shopping. In Atomy, when we introduce the shopping mall Atomy and the product, you will get the rebate from the group point. While in other online shopping mall, when we introduce, we don't get anything from that person. In Atomy, there is no minimum purchase. Why? Because you can send it to the center and it's free postage. If you purchase 290 in Malaysia, because take note, in each country there is a minimum purchase that is different. So in example, if you are in Mexico, you follow what is the shopping mall state there, how much is the minimum purchase. In Malaysia, if we buy 290, we can send it over to our house or office for free. While in other platform, there is a minimum purchase and also a postage free. So Atomy also have a plenty of CSR. CSR is one of the system that Atomy created to also give back to the society. This is one of it that has been lately doing in Malaysia. You can get it the info in your Atomy apps about your country, because Atomy will declare there what the CSR that has been doing in your country. In case you are in India or in case you are in Indonesia, you can go through the Atomy channel, atomy.cn, so you can see what they are doing there. This is one of it only. So they also helping the government during the pandemic when hit our country, Malaysia. They donated plenty of the hand sanitizer, and this hand sanitizer is made from the Atomy Malaysia. It's really GSGS. So talk about GSGS. What is GSGS? This is GSGS, Global Sourcing, Global Sales, Global Distributor Hub. So example, what is the best from that country. Atomy also will help that company that has been matched our CEO standard as absolute quality and absolute price. If they is matching the standard of Atomy, the Atomy will take that product and help to distribute to other country. So some of it, like you can see in the screen, there is a white product like Taiwan. The best of the ethanol patch came from Taiwan. So we can get the Taiwan product also from the company Atomy. Like the Norway, they have the salmon. They're very delicious. Then we can help to buy from that, because Atomy will give us the best price, that even cheaper when we go and buy ourselves in that country. Like vitamin B is from USA. If you don't know what is the iLutein is very good for the eye and also made from Japan. If you are a Mexican right now, you know that is what is the best from your country is the avocado oil, which is from your country. And we help you to distribute it through the Atomy. We can enjoy your product in the best quality and in absolute price. So what is absolute quality and absolute price? That is very a lot of people was talking about, and you find a lot of hashtag about it. Absolute quality and absolute price is meaning there is the quality that no one can match at a certain price point, and absolute price means the lowest possible price for the same quality. You can find this product with the same quality. You cannot compete with the price that Atomy has given to you. So it's a very assurance and doubt-free when you choose about Atomy. This is the value that Atomy has striven for since the beginning. Right now, they has goes to Atomy you can trust and use. This is another product philosophy that enrich and add value to our consumer lives. So the most important question by a lot of people is about Mastis. What is Mastis? Why we can get the Atomy such a absolute quality and absolute price in the cheaper way? Because Atomy carry the Mastis as their business strategy, which is Mastis is a short form from mass, meaning general public, and touch from the word prestige, mass and prestige. So prestige quality product, and they produce in the massive way, so they can decrease the price in the price that no one can compete. I will stop sharing until here, and I pass the time to Ken. Thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you, Evodia, for your wonderful sharing today. We'll stop here the recording for now.